Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number 09-170-626. This is a door guard corner protector plate. They call it the plate only for the 482 brass solid bar door guard. This is an L-shaped piece of brass that's in a 626 or plated satin chrome finish. This is used, just in your mind's eye, imagine a hotel room, motel room. You have the door and you've got your flip over door guard. You enter the room, bedtime, door's closed, door guard comes over, you've got security from the door guard. Next day, open the door, you flip that door guard down because you're going to go down 10 feet to where the ice maker is. The door is going to close and hit the back side of the door guard. That's what this plate is for. Literally, that's what that plate is actually for. And frankly, you don't often see these, or don't always see these units installed, because they are generally not included with the hardware, but very appropriate. And over the last few years, this is 2018 is the year that we are currently in. We have certainly seen an increase in the amount of sales of this material. Sorry about the camera goofing around. We've certainly seen an increase in the amount of sales for this item. And I think it might have something to do with the fact that damage to a fire door is going to give you a circumstance by which eventually that door may fail a fire test, which is now code to be conducted annually. Meaning if the door continues to hit the backside of the door guard, you're going to wear the edge off, break the material, get down and expose the inner construction of the door. So that might be a problem, and that's where you're going to see these. Okay. Now, dimensional properties. Overall height of the door guard, 1 1/8. Overall width, about 1/2 inch. That material thickness, I would imagine it's quite thin, and I'm going to guess somewhere in the 30 thousandths of an inch range. And according to the caliper, 0.044, 0.044. So if you took a 1/16 of an inch, it's basically 2/3 of that. 2/3 of a 1/16. Self-adhesive tape, you peel that off and you get it in place. And in our example, this would be on the push side of the door, and the edge of the door would be the small leg. If I'm just going to hold that there in my hand, here's my door. Here's my door. Door is opened. Flip guard gets over, and you can get the idea of how this will work to protect the edge of the door. Obviously, place this in vertical alignment with the door guard itself and test it before you install it. Available, of course, in all of the finishes that you would expect a door guard to be available in, and let's go through it quickly. 626, that means satin. It means brass with a satin chrome finish. 613 is oil rub bronze. 625 is polished chrome. 626 is satin chrome. Then you've got 605 polished brass, and you can also do it in a 619 finish, which they call B15. That would be satin nickel. Okay, that's where you're going to use this item. It's not unusual for us to sell 5 of these. It's also not unusual for us to sell 105 of them, depending on the size of the hotel, obviously. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ives products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Ives, they're part number 09-170 in a 626 finish or any other Ives product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.